Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. There's always room for. My name is Kim and today we are preparing for Halloween. And Halloween is something I like to prepare for a couple months in advance only because I want to start brainstorming for costume ideas. If you didn't know, I have a twin sister. Her name is Veronica. She's my very best friend, and every year I really look forward to making coordinating costumes for her and myself. In the past, we've been cupcakes, we've been macaron towers, Girl Scout cookies. We typically like to do food-related costumes, and one year we were actually s'mores. What's really special about this costume is that in 2018, Cosmopolitan magazine named our s'mores costume one of the 21 most perfect Halloween costumes for anyone that's obsessed with food. It was really fun to just be recognized for the creativity and the time that went into this costume. So after that article got posted online, I got a lot of direct messages and comments on my Instagram asking how did I make this costume and can I make a tutorial. So now that I finally have a YouTube channel up and running and it's almost Halloween, what better time than now to teach you how to make this s'mores costume. If you want to be s'mores for Halloween and make this costume, follow along.
You will need two 15 by 17 inch seat cushions, 3 to 4 yards of tan felt, enough to wrap the seat cushions, 1 yard of brown cotton or brown felt, hot glue, straight pins, 1 to 2 spools each of red, yellow, and orange tulle, brown yarn, a yarn needle, 1 or 2 spools of ribbon, and you'll also need some polyester stuffing. Begin by trimming the felt in order to wrap the foam pad in it completely. Try your best to get straight, neat edges. Use hot glue to secure the ends of the fabric together. For stubborn parts, you can use straight pins to hold the fabric in place while the glue sets. Repeat this on all of the open seamed sides. You're going to repeat this process for the second seat cushion. To make this covered cushion look like a graham cracker, we're going to tuft the cushion to give it the signature break-apart lines and cracker holes. Sew 2-inch lines all the way down the center of the cushion to create the break-apart lines. Then, sew small 1/4 inch lines that end up looking like dots into each half of the cushion in a staggering pattern. Be sure to pull the yarn tightly to create a nice dimple in the seat cushion. This doesn't need to be exact, but you can mark out the holes before sewing if you wanted the tufting to be perfectly symmetrical. Keep in mind that the back of the cushion won't be seen, so it will look messy, and that's okay. You also don't need to add lines to the second cushion if you don't want. You won't have many photos taken of your back, so if you're trying to save time, no need to bother with the back. You'll want to attach two 14-inch pieces of ribbon to the top of the cushions, attaching both cushions together so that they hang on your shoulders. Then, on the sides, you'll want to attach two separate pieces of ribbon on each cushion, for a total of 4 side ribbon pieces, midpoint down the sides, so you're able to tie them together once you have the cushions resting on your shoulders. You can sew them in place with a needle and thread, but I chose to use safety pins to save time. Next, you'll want to make a square 17 by 17 inch pillow out of the brown fabric. You can either sew the squares together or use hot glue. Stuff the pillow with polyester filling. Secure the pillow onto the back side of the front cushion using a needle and thread or safety pins. Here's a better look at how the ribbon will keep things in place. Notice how both ends for the top 2 ribbons are secured in place, while I left one end of each of the side ribbons unsecured so that you can tie them together. To make the tulle tutu, cut a piece of cardboard to twice the desired length of your tutu. For instance, I wanted my tutu to be about 8 inches long, so I cut my cardboard to be a 16-inch piece. I recommend using 16 to 20 inches. Wrap the tulle around the cardboard until you've completely used up the spool. Tape the tulle in place and cut through the folded ends. This should give you evenly cut pieces of tulle. Repeat this for all of the remaining spools of tulle. To make the tutu, wrap ribbon around your waist 3 times and cut. This will ensure you have enough ribbon to go around your waist comfortably and have extra to tie a bow in place. To keep the ribbon in place while you're making the tutu, cut 2 slits into the cardboard and slide the ribbon into the slits, almost like you're making a friendship bracelet. Begin looping each piece of tulle around the ribbon as shown. You can alternate colors as you wish. I chose to do 4 yellow, 4 orange, 4 red, and repeated that until I had enough width to go around my waist. You can make the tutu as fluffy or as relaxed as you want, depending on how tight you push the tulle together and how much tulle you use in the end. For the twig headband, I used brown floral tape to wrap the entire headband. And then I used hot glue to attach the twigs. Once the hot glue set, I secure the twigs in place by wrapping more floral tape around the base and the twigs. Here's the final costume. I made sure to wear a white t-shirt with this costume to represent the marshmallow. You can pair it with either black or brown leggings, or even wear it with jeans.
That is a wrap on today's tutorial for how to make a s'mores costume. Essentially, you're just making a pillow and reupholstering 2 seat cushions and making a tulle tutu. I hope you guys have a safe and happy Halloween. I hope you guys still get dressed up and you still have fun despite the pandemic. If you end up making this costume, please find me on Instagram and tag me or let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for tuning in and following along. I will see you guys next time. Bye!